It is time for a mindful movement moment with Miss Lori and Lenny the Porcupine at Love and Learning Lodge, where we show you two movements that are mindful that you can add into your day. The first one is a dragon pose. Start out on the ground on your knees. Put one knee out. You lean forward, arms up. You can take some big breaths and breathe out. Breathe out like a dragon breathing fire. That feels nice and powerful. Over to the other side. Great dragon breathing. All right, the second one, I'll show you the source, is with our Yoga Pretzels cards again, and it's animal friends. This is where you just do some resting, but if you have some stuffed animals in your environment, a friend like a furry porcupine, or even your imagination, what animal do you envision? And just pretend that they are with you, sharing your emotions. So maybe you are really happy and joyful about something. So think about your animal friend being there sharing that joyful moment with you. Or maybe you are feeling very anxious about something, and your animal friend can help you relax and feel a little bit safer and better about whatever it is that's worrying you. Now, we will let Lenny give us a try. Lenny, what animal would you think about? Oh, a dragon. A purple dragon with green stripes and yellow eyes. Well, that's very specific. So, as Lenny thinks about different emotions, the purple dragon with green stripes and yellow eyes can be there for Lenny. That's a great imagination. And then our dragon pose. That might be why you thought of a dragon. Dragon pose, arm up. Good job. Now it is your turn to give these things a try. And stretch your body, stretch your body. Now you know just what to do. Rest your body, rest your body. Now the rest is up to you. Bye-bye.